I'll show you how to transform this into an airplane. So what you want to do, make this guy sit, turn this around, turn this backwards, make him sit like this. Then you want to make the plane like this, and then like that, and you can undo. You have to make these thingies go out and make it, and then you have to make the legs clip like that, and then you make it go in just like that, make it clip. Then you want to make this go down just like that, and or make this go inside those little clipping holes like that, and then they're done. Woo! I hope you guys like this, and next video I'll show you how to transform it back. That's 1 minute. See you later.